Yo. In Chinese, the word tangerine and luck sound alike, so tangerines have become a symbol of luck. Due to this, people give tangerines as gifts during the Chinese New Year as a way of wishing the other person good luck in the upcoming year. But tangerines are lucky for several other reasons as well. What most people don't know is that the tangerine peel can be used as an ingredient in many natural remedies. Here are some of the problems tangerines and their peel can help cure. Bronchitis. If you suffer from bronchitis, try peeling half of a tangerine and putting it in a cup with hot water. Let it sit for an hour and then drink the liquid. You should do this 3 times a day. Coughing. Coughing all day is very uncomfortable and it irritates your throat. Tangerines are the perfect natural remedy for this problem. The first step is to let the peel dry until you can crumble it into little pieces. Then warm up a cup of water and add the tangerine peel powder. Let them sit for about a week. After the week has passed, count out 20 drops and mix them with a cup of water. You should drink this 3 times a day before each meal. Stopped up nose. Stopped up noses are fairly common problems caused by allergies or the beginning of a cold. It can make it hard to breathe, and we tend to rush to the pharmacy right away. But before you do, try out this tangerine peel remedy. Fill a container with hot water and add tangerine peel. Once that is done, breathe in the vapors for 10 minutes. When the time is up, rest in a dust-free area. Digestive problems. If you have a stomach ache or flatulence, try this easy recipe. Cut up the peel from a few tangerines and let them dry out. Then blend them until you have some tangerine peel powder. Then you can add the powder to your food. Foot fungus. All foot fungus is an infection caused by humidity. Tangerine essential oil is great at treating these kinds of problems due to its antiseptic and antifungal properties. Physical exhaustion and sleeping problems. Who doesn't like the smell of tangerines? Their aroma is able to calm your mind and relieve the symptoms of anxiety. Fill a little bag with some tangerine peel and smell it for about a minute. This will also help headaches. Hypertension and tachycardia. Tangerines are full of vitamins as well as antioxidants, which makes them great for your heart's health. The potassium present in citrus fruits such as the tangerine can help calm your heart and control blood pressure. A good way to take advantage of all the tangerine's qualities is by adding some tangerine peel to 3 liters of boiling water, then letting the mixture sit for an hour. Next, bathe in the mixture. Repeat this procedure every other day. High cholesterol. A study published in 2004 showed that tangerine peel tea was better for your health than tangerine juice, and it was also great at lowering cholesterol. Here is how to make the tea. Ingredients: the peel from 3 tangerines, 500 milliliters of water. Instructions: boil the water, then chop the peel up and add it to the water. Let the mixture steep for 10 minutes. Then strain it and drink it while it's hot. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.